before we do any service, we need to unplug the power. Okay, I need to replace the wire. The model number BXR463EG6WW, and I need to replace the seal, and we need to install the seal. Part number is WE09X2441. And then the seal is WE1M333, and then WE1M1067. Need to replace that. And then first we need to open this screw, because we need to remove the. First we need to open this one, second one. Screw in here. Okay. And screw right here. Okay, and then we have one screw right here. So total will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 screws. Okay. Okay. Pull it out. That's the control panel. Right. Screw right here, and one screw right here. And the second screw. Okay, the second screw. We take the panels out. The full access on top, right? But we need to open the front to get access, so we can install the seal. And I need to access the front of the wire, so I have to remove this screw and remove this screw. Okay, first one, second one. You have to hold it, be careful, it can fall out. Okay, ready? Okay, now you can open this one out, but be careful. We have the electrical wire right here, so make sure we not cause any damage. Access to vacuum all the dirty right here. All the seal get damaged. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's broken. Even the bearing is all broken. Look, the seal all damaged. See, it's no good. Now I need to remove the bearing. Okay, the bearing coming out. Look, here's the old one. How bad is it compared to here's a new one? Look the front. Compare, see? It's a big damage. Okay. Opportunity to vacuum everything up. Okay. We turn off the power, okay, before we do any of this from beginning. Okay. Now remove the seal. Okay, seal right here. Just remove it. Let's put it in here like that. That's what happened right here. Okay, ready? So make sure this one get into the frame. Check everything. Make sure it's locked. Okay. Like all good. The WA1M133. It be go in the first one right here. This one slot, and then this one slide in here. Okay, like that. And then on this one, same thing. Put in the slot and put it in this way. Okay. And then this one for part number WE1M1067. So we go in here. So the hole into a slot, then bend it like this. Yep. Same thing over here. Go in here and put it down. So seal and lock it like this, and then run it out. Go. Put in here, right? And then lift the rice up, and then this lock in here, and the bottom lock down there. Same over here. This one will lock in. Okay. First screw in, do second screw. Okay. one right here. Okay, first one, second one. Okay. So you put the panel put in slot right here, and then slide forward. Okay. The short screw will be right here. So do all the hand tie so to get all the hole light up. Okay, one more hand tie. And one more hand tie. Okay, now you can do put it in together. Okay, do the final. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All done. Oh, last one. Double check, make sure everything was tight. So we have 6 screws in the back. It's tight. This are tight, so good. 2 in front. So we remove this one out, and replay everything.